विसावपरांत येवकार आय क्रिएट संस्था मार्फत जयपूर आयोजीत केल्ल्या बिझनेस प्लान सर्तींत गोंयच्या तरणाट्या चलयेन भाग घेतिल्लो. त्या चलयेक सर्तींत पयलें इनाम फावो जालां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
iCreate has been organizing the Change the Mindset programs in Goa from last 6 years, and after this Change the Mindset workshop, there is a state level competition that happens, and we are organizing in Goa. iCreate is organizing in Goa from last 6 years, and wherein the different colleges come and compete for a business plan competition, wherein the top two winners goes for the national business plan competition. Likewise, this year also we had two teams from Goa that got selected for the national business plan competition, which was held in Jaipur. Now on 27th of Jan we had the national business plan competition in Jaipur, and it's a proud moment for us Goan. After 12 years, this is the 12th business plan competition, the national business plan competition that happened in Jaipur, and it is a proud moment for us Goans that a Goan girl has won this competition at a national level.
म्हाका एकदम खुशालकाय भोगता की आमगे चेडवा नॅशनल लेवल फर्स्ट प्रायज घेतलो म्हणून. हांव एज अ एंटरप्रेनर जेन्ना हांव पास आवट जालो कॉलेजींतल्यान सदीस मॅडम खूब कुस्तार जावपाक लागल्यो. तेन्ना हांवें म्हणलें हांव एक धंदो सुरू करतलो म्हणून, आनी हांव गव्हर्मेंट जॉबा वचना पूण गव्हर्मेंट स्कीम घेतली आनी म्हजो धंदो सुरू केलो, आनी तो धाकटोसो धंदो आयज वाडोवन हांवें व्हडलो केलो, आनी आय एम व्हेरी सक्सेसफूल. आनी म्हाका आनी दुसरी चड म्हत्वाची गोष्ट म्हणटा ती आय एम वीथ माय फॅमिली. आय लिव वीथ माय फॅमिली, वीथ माय फ्रेंड्स. आय एन्जॉय माय लायफ इन माय गोवा, and that is what I want to tell the youth. Start in a small way, start your own business and live life here. Government cannot give jobs to everybody, but there are a lot of government schemes which we can take advantage of.
The National Business Plan Competition and the Regional Business Plan Competition organized by iCreate India taught me the basics of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship was a new topic for me. I come from a science background. Currently, I'm doing my first year BSc in Carmel College, Nuve. So I have no knowledge about entrepreneurship, about accounts, about all these statements. But by attending such courses such as those organized by iCreate, those organized by SIBA, I have learned what entrepreneurship is. Entrepreneurship is a journey where you create your own job, where your salary is in your own hands. You don't have to depend on your boss or the government to pay your own salary, but you can depend on yourself. By your own means, you can be creative. That is what entrepreneurship is for me.